Hey, it's your girl DonyB, and I am coming at you with my wash day routine. I just took out some braids that I've had in my hair for 3 months, and this is what my hair looks like in all its filth. My hair is so thick. I am loving it. I hope that I keep some of this thickness. But postpartum, let me show you what my edge is looking like. 3 months postpartum. And let me show you what they look like. See, baby, the hair is gone. Gone. On this side, it is a lot better. This is my good side. But it's a lot better. And this is honestly how it was. My hairline was when I had my first son. But right now, I'm just gonna start off by pre-pooing and getting the rest of the shed hair out of my head. And I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections, and I'm gonna work with the sections with some cheap conditioner. And I'm gonna use my fingers and a little squirt of water to kind of get some of the rest of that hair out, okay? All right, so stay tuned.
First, I'm going to start off by spritzing my hair with a little bit of water just to make my hair a little more pliable. And then I am going to apply one of my favorite inexpensive conditioners, which is a Suave Professionals Keratin Infused. And it is also salon proven. Because it's so inexpensive, I can apply loads and loads of this conditioner on. And basically the goal here is to get rid of all of that loose hair so it does not wrap around the strands that are still attached to my head when I get ready to wash. After I've rinsed out most of the conditioner, I'm going to follow it up with a generic tea tree oil shampoo. It's compared to Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Special Shampoo. And basically what I'm doing here is I'm going to cleanse my hair of all the extra impurities and to cleanse my scalp as well. And basically, I'm doing this because I've had those braids up in my hair for, like I said, 3 whole months. And I just wanted to treat my scalp. I picked this shampoo up at my local Sally's. It's a coconut oil shampoo made by Soapbox, and it claims to moisturize and nourish your hair. It's made with aloe and shea as well as the coconut oil, and it's supposed to be safe for color-treated hair, paraben-free, and silicone-free. Not to mention, it smells oh so good. I mean, look at the lather that it also makes. I love me a good shampoo that makes a good lather.
My hair is so soft. I love this shampoo so far. It is so soft. It's really, really thick.
This detangler brush is new for me. It's made by Red Kiss. This is my very first time using it, and I have to say that I am going to keep it in my arsenal and use it over and over and over again. Leaving my hair in sections, I am going to rinse out most of the conditioner. Getting all of the conditioner out is not very important to me at this point, as I am going to deep condition. Now it's time to deep condition in order to add additional moisture. I am going to use this two-step hair mask made by Palmer's. And for the first step, it's supposed to restore shine and deep condition. And step 2, it's supposed to seal the cuticle. So basically what I'm supposed to do is, for step 1, I'm supposed to apply it to my strands, do not rinse, to restore condition and shine. And then I am going to follow it up with step 2. And step 2 is supposed to be applied directly over step 1, and then I'm supposed to rinse and seal the cuticles. Now I am not going to rinse it as of yet, as I want to make sure that all of this product thoroughly goes into each and every one of my cuticles in the strand. So I am going to follow this up by getting under my hair steamer.
So now I'm gonna go and sit under my steamer to let this all soak in and marinate.
I filled up the water basin on my steamer to the max fill line, so it put me under the steamer for roughly 20 minutes. I know some of you are going to come after me for rinsing my hair out in the sink, but I'm not getting back in the shower, and this is my sink. I'm fine with it. I know how to use disinfectant spray, okay? So don't waste your time in putting that in the comments. All right, so I am going to rinse my hair out in cold water to make sure that I seal in all that moisture as well.
Okay, so this is what my hair looks like with no product. It is super duper soft. It feels very moisturized. You can see my curls peeping through. Right now, what I am going to do is I'm going to go and blow dry it. I'm going to use the Rev Air. I'm going to be doing a review on the Rev Air. I finally got my hands on it. So that's going to be in the next video. I didn't want to make this video too long, but I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner in it. Oh boy, look at that, Jesus. But I'm gonna start putting some oils on that to make that, to kind of help that grow back in. But my hair doesn't feel weighed down. It feels light with all the shampoos and conditioners and the mask and stuff. I'm very, very, very pleased. My hair feels moisturized and hydrated. So guys, stay tuned for my next video for that review of that Rev Air. And thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a big thumbs up. If you don't know what to say in the comments, just leave me a little heart or a kiss just to let me know that you stopped through. All right, so this is my postpartum. This is the first wash postpartum, and this is what my wash routine basically is going to be looking like in order to incorporate more moisture into my hair. So thanks for watching. Catch you next time.
Thank you for tuning in to another episode of DonyB TV. On your way out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy your day.